Are you getting error code 80070057 on Fire Stick? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your Fire Stick. Error code 80070057 can be caused by corrupted cache, software glitches, or permissions issues. To fix the issue, the first thing you can do is restart Fire Stick. Unplug the power cord from your Fire Stick for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This can often resolve temporary issues. Method 2. Clear app cache and data. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Here we are selecting this app as an example. Select Clear Cache, then Clear Data as per your system settings option. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 3. Check for system updates. Go to Settings on your Fire TV device, select My Fire TV. Then select About and check for updates. If available, download and install the updates. Method 4. Manually adjust permissions. While Fire Stick does not provide a straightforward way to manually adjust permissions for individual apps, reinstalling apps often resets permissions. Ensure that you grant any necessary permissions when prompted during the app's setup process. Method 5. Reinstall the app. You can try uninstalling the app on which you are getting the error, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device, select Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall, and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 6. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of the Fire Stick. To reset, open Settings with the Fire Stick remote. Then click on My Fire TV. Select the Reset to Factory Defaults option. Confirm your action by selecting the Reset option. Let the resetting process complete. Do not press any button while the process is going on. Once done, set up the Fire TV stick anew and the problem should be fixed. Note that this will erase all your installed apps and settings, so you should back up before proceeding. And there you have it, the ways to fix 80070057 on Fire Stick. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.